Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm doing these Hello Kitty nails. This is my new set. And I just want to give a special Kawaii Gang notification gang shout out to Cerberus Snape Fangirl. I feel like I'm saying your name wrong every time, but thank you so much for being first on my last video. And if you guys want to be shouted out as well, make sure you have your notifications turned on. And thanks to everyone who tries to get here. I really appreciate you guys coming to the video. So yeah, you guys, I already have some clear tips applied. These are from Sally's Beauty Supply. And I just put them on, cut them down. Well, I cut down my thumb. The rest of them I did not cut down. I did not shape them at all. I love the shape. I love the curve. I'm really into curved nails right now. And this is like my first time having a curved set in a long time. So I'm applying a little bit of Macart Pink Jelly gel polish to my nails, mixing it together with a clear top coat to dilute it a little bit. I don't want it super strong. I want it to be more of like a baby pink jelly color. Then I'll cure that in the lamp. I'm also gonna do the underside just because I felt like it looked a little bit weird under there at certain points and I needed to like top coat it too. So that's why I'm doing the underside as well. And I just stick my hand in the lamp to cure. So this Hello Kitty design, we voted on my Patreon on the poll. If you're new to my channel, sometimes I do polls and let you guys vote on which design you want to see next. I end up doing them all eventually, but it gives me the order of upload. And this one came in, I believe, 3rd place. Is that right? I think so. Yeah. The aquarium nails was 1st. And then the Rugrat nails was 2nd. And then the flames was 3rd. And then this is 4th. So yeah. That's the correct order. So this one came in 4th, which sounds kind of like low, but there were a lot of options on the poll, you know. I was the one who put the Hello Kitty on the poll. My patrons didn't ask for it. By the way, if you want to check out my Patreon, there are some like exclusive benefits for people who pledge on my Patreon. The link will be down below. But yeah, so this is how I kind of just came up with it. It was kind of like a freestyle. I had a general idea of what I wanted to do. These Hello Kitty Fimo I got from HK Miniature Sweets or Miniature Sweets HK. I bought some Fimo from them for my Kawaii Overdose set and they sent me the Hello Kitty Fimo for free, which was really sweet of them and I love it. So I'm putting that on my nails with some top coat and just curing it into place, as well as some pink hearts, white stars, and some bows and butterfly Fimos. And I love how these look in my nails. Oh my god, I honestly love this set so much. I'm gonna enjoy this for so long. I'm gonna just constantly be looking at my nails. So for my nail bed color, I decided to go ahead and do an ombre today. I was about to do a French, but I felt like I didn't have a lot of time to do all that. So this is a gorgeous bubblegum like Pepto-Bismol shimmery mineral pink from JC Beauty Concepts. I'm gonna blend that down. And then I'm gonna place this glitter. It's a loose art glitter from Young Nails called Diamond Dust. And I'm just gonna place that on the blend line to help me disguise the ombre blend a little bit. And then I cap the nails with clear.
Really your car? It's my car, babe. What you talking about?
With hope and you were sure I
So after the application, I took my Hello Kitty lace decals. You guys, I've had these for 1,000 years and I've never used them. Basically, in preparation for this set, I grabbed all my Hello Kitty stuff, and these nails were about to be really cluttered and crazy. I had to reduce it because I have so much HK stuff from like years ago. I'm actually going to use something on my set today that I bought when I first started buying all my first nail art products. It's so cute though. Oh my god, I don't know. I'm just glad my aesthetic has not changed because that means I have so much stuff. I got this from the dollar store the other day and it was so crazy. It was just like sitting there and there was nothing else around in the store. Like I couldn't find any more of it. It was like the only one. It was this Hello Kitty decals and it had like a little bitty Hello Kitty nail polish and it was the cutest thing ever. So I had to get it. I was like definitely thinking I wanted to use the little nail polish for like photos, which is what I'm gonna do. So the decal needed to be painted white on the back because it was clear. So I just painted it white and cured it for a couple seconds, and now I'm sticking it onto my nail with some glue, some nail glue to make it lay flat. Oh, before the top coat, you guys, of course, you cannot forget Bling. Hello. I'm using light rose stones today. I almost did crystal clear stones, but I feel like I already used those in the aquarium set, so I'm not going to do it again. I'm just using some light rose stones here and placing them around at random, just like some basic bling, because this set doesn't really need anything else. And then I'm using my Hello Kitty cabochon heads. I bought these so long ago. This is like one of my first nail art purchases ever from like 2014. I got them on Etsy, I think, and I effing love them. Oh my gosh. I have some huge My Melody cabochons. Like it's like a My Melody head, and I don't know if I can get away with wearing it on my nails. I probably can, but the nails have to be like real long, I think. So maybe that'll be my next set. I know I said I was gonna put My Melody mixed in with my Hello Kitty set, but like there was just no room for her. Like, no. I had to give Queen Kitty her own set. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with Hello Kitty, but I just am. Anyone who knows me, who's been to my house, like you already know the deal, you already know it's good. But I don't know, I've just loved Hello Kitty my entire life, and it's kind of like a crutch for me when I don't know what to do, when I don't know what like aesthetic to buy something in. Like say for example, I need a shower curtain. Instead of having to go like find a real stylish one, I just type in Hello Kitty shower curtain and buy that. And that's what I've been doing forever. And yeah, I don't know, that's just me.
Choices you made, did you make them again? Giving up, letting go, times
this is the final result, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know down below. And thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. I love you guys. Have an amazing day or night, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.